Hello everyone, welcome to the Food Sniper. Hope everyone is safe and fine during this lockdown. I'm sure everyone is missing their favorite dishes and desserts. So today I'm here to show you a very easy, tasty and yummy eggless caramel custard. Well, this is my favorite recipe. So let's get started. To make the eggless caramel custard, we will need half cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of custard powder. We will start to make the caramel by adding the sugar to a non-stick pan on a medium-low flame. Next we add around 1 tablespoon of water, just give a stir and let the sugar melt. Once the sugar starts to melt, keep swirling the pan to ensure that it does not stick to the bottom. As we can see, the sugar has melted. Now we wait till we get the desired golden brown color. Pour the caramel into a steel bowl or any silicone or ramekin molds of your choice. Now spread it evenly by swirling and keep it aside to set. Now in a mixing jar, add 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of custard powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we blend this to a smooth mixture. As we can see, it looks like a thick creamy milk. Now the caramel is set and it's time to add in the custard mixture. We put it into the steamer for around 25 to 30 minutes on a medium-low flame. As we can see, the custard has left the sides and the knife has come out clean. It means that it is cooked properly. Once we take it out of the steamer, let it cool down and then refrigerate for nearly 2 to 3 hours. The caramel custard is now set. Run a sharp knife around the edges of the bowl and demold it in a serving plate. As you can see, the texture is so soft and creamy. Our eggless caramel custard is now ready to eat. Yum! I hope you like this recipe. Do try and let me know in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe and wait for my next video. The Food Sniper.